Hi, Butler Bobcats. My name's Miss Holt, and I teach K2 Crosscat. This is my son, Eric. An interesting fact about Eric is that he's a really good drummer, aren't you? Hey,
Wow.
Are you a good drummer?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. He's really good. An interesting fact about me is that I've been spit on by a walrus at SeaWorld. I was teasing him with a fish, and he wanted it. And I wouldn't give it to him, so he went under the water and spit on me. Anyway, today is Tuesday, March 24th, and it's Tell Me Tuesday. Today's question is, do you like science experiments? Do you like science experiments?
Yeah.
Okay, me and Eric are going to do a science experiment, and you can try it at home. Just get your parents' permission and help, okay? What we're going to need is some vinegar.
Uh-huh.
And also, we're going to need some baking soda.
Shano.
Baking soda. We're also going to need a clear container like this. And I've already put the vinegar in. And a little bit of dish soap. And there's a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, pink sugar crystals. The experiment here is, boys and girls, that what happens when we add baking soda
Water.
with vinegar?
Water.
Yeah, well, this is vinegar, Eric.
I'm going you.
Oh, I already put it in there. I already put
I'm
it. Yeah,
not here.
you're gonna do the baking soda part.
Sure.
Okay. So we are going to turn the camera down here.
Down.
And nope, that's good. Yeah. Okay. And then Eric is going to put. I'm gonna do a little funnel action here.
Why?
Yeah, so you can get this in here. Are you ready?
Ready.
You ready to help Mom?
Sure.
Okay. We're gonna put a big spoonful of baking powder in the funnel, and let's see what happens. Ah! It wasn't all the way in there.
Bubble.
What's happening?
Bubble.
Oh no! There it goes.
Bubble.
Is it making bubbles, Eric? Yeah. Ah! Look at it go. It went the wrong way. Hey, boys and girls, you never know what's going to happen in a science experiment. Oh my goodness, look at that. Eric, what? Are they bubbles? Yeah. It's crazy. Science experiments. Science is fun. Try it at home, right, Eric?
I'm going you.
Try it at home, boys and girls. But get your parents' permission first.
Home. Home.